Here we go. Okay, you have to keep it like that, remember. Want to hold my jacket?
Climbing. Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
How do I get up there?
Oh my god, what's in my hair?
With you now.
Oh my god! Ew! Get it out! Get it out!
What? Get it out! What?
Oh my god!
What is it?
Oh my god!
What is it?
It's a pokey thing. It's a pokey thing. It looks like a caterpillar.
Ow. Oh,
Yeah.
Get on my shirt.
Whoa.
No, like grab your boob.
Nina, are you supposed to be videotaping me?
Yes.
Ow, it's stabbing me. Hey.
I am so very sorry. It's your little
Like I'm blaming you.
Oh, it's my hair. I let through my hair.
There's a cave.
I'm okay.
There's a cave. Turn the flash off.
There's a cave.
Thank you.
I want to live there.
Yeah. Okay, hang on.
My butt's wet. There's something in my pocket. Ooh.
Oh, the tape.
Yeah.
Don't do it.
Imani, don't do that. There could be a lot of things in there.
There could be. Ryan could be one of them.
Ryan, come out.
Hello in there.
Things on my sock.
I'm scared.
It was in my hair. There.
Huh?
How do I get up there?
I don't know. I've never been up here.
How do you?
I don't. Come on, that crap.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
I got this. Careful.
Woo!
How do we go up there?
Let's go.
Okay, if I go up, I'm afraid I can't get down.
It's okay. No. I know how to get down these types of
Okay, can you push my butt? No! Oh my god! I can't do this.
I can't do this.
Okay. Okay. How do you get up here, Imani?
Okay, go. Just keep going.
Hey, Mom, be proud of me. Hang on. Jasmine has turned the flash on again.
I did.
This rock is retarded. Okay.
There you
Need
go.
some assistance.
Okay.
I have a jacket here.
I know.
Yes! I did it.
Wait, I have a jacket.
Oh gosh. I have a pokey thing in my shoelace.
Alexa, we miss you.
Yes, we did.
Jasmine,
I can't get up, Imani.
videotape me at least.
Oh, this is hard to do at the same time.
Here, you want me to do it?
Okay, then fine. Stop the
Yeah.
video when I get down, because that'll be really embarrassing.
Hold on. We're trying to get up there with you.
We're trying
Oh,
to decrease
I
the...
almost fell.
Careful.
Holy shit.
Please? I'm about to fall too.
Monty, you always tell me to watch my language. Trade.
Let me get up and then I'll get
Hang on, stop it. Stop videoing.
it.
Press the button.